Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect your Rivian R1T to the Rivian app, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Rivian R1T is parked in a safe and convenient location. Next, make sure your smartphone is charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Download the Rivian app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't done so already. Open the Rivian app on your smartphone once the download is complete. Log into your Rivian account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, follow the app's instructions to create one. After logging in, select Add Vehicle from the main menu. You will need to enter the vehicle identification number, or VIN, of your R1T. The VIN can be found on your vehicle's dashboard or in the original paperwork. Once you have entered the VIN, tap Next to continue. The app will now prompt you to ensure that your R1T is powered on. Go to your R1T and back in the app, you will see a message indicating that it is searching for your vehicle. Wait for the app to detect your vehicle, which may take a few moments. Once detected, you will be prompted to connect via Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. The app will display a pairing request. Accept it by tapping Pair. Once paired, enter the code in the app to finalize the connection. After confirming, the app will display your vehicle's status and features. You can now explore the app's various functionalities, such as vehicle status, climate controls, and charging information. If you encounter any issues during the process, check your internet connection and ensure Bluetooth is active. If problems persist, you can consult the Rivian support page for further assistance. Remember to keep the app updated for the latest features and improvements. Your Rivian R1T is now successfully connected to the Rivian app. Enjoy the benefits of having access to your vehicle's features right from your smartphone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.